Hello guys! Welcome to Grandma Vlogs! Ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng cage ni Coco, ang aming
Eto
fur
guys,
baby.
nagpatulong ako sa aking poging apo na si Francis yan para mag-unbox. So, ito kasing si fur baby namin na si Coco ay baby pa rin talaga. 1 month and 2 weeks old male kitten. Yan, si Coco. So, heto guys, nabuksan na at ang kulay pala ng binili nila, in-order nila online ay blue. Tamang-tama pang lalaki. Kasi male si Coco, male
Ayan guys,
kitten.
excited na akong makita kung anong reaksyon ni Coco pag nakita niyang may bago siyang cage. So, watch till the end guys. Samahan nyo kami mag-unbox. At heto, malapit na. Ayan. Ano kayang reaction ni Kuko pag ipasok ko sa cage? So guys, samahan nyo kami. Thank you sa pag-support nyo sa aking bagong channel, Grandma Vlogs. Okay guys. Ayan, mabubuo na ni Kuya Sian. Ang aking poging apo na si Francis Sian.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
So, ayan guys. Ayan. Yehey! Asan na kaya si Coco? Kukunin ko na si Coco at ipasok na sa cage niya. Wow! Ayan na!
na siya. Guys, eto na si Coco, our fur baby male kitten. 1 month and 2 weeks old baby. Ayan na siya. Kasi bagong-bago lang sa amin ito. Regalo sa amin ng aming godfriend. Ayan si Coco. Guys, meet Coco, our new fur baby. Naninibago siya, oh. Ano kaya ang mangyari sa kanya diyan? Nakakatuwa si Coco, guys. Hindi natin marinig ang boses niya ngayon, guys, kasi maingay ang ating paligid. So, abangan sa next video natin at madidinig nyo ang kanyang golden voice. Sa ngayon, wala. Mahirap, baka ma-copyright pa tayo, guys. Kaya, tiyaga-tiyaga lang. Antay-antay ng good timing, right timing. So, ayan siya, ang cute. So, enjoy muna natin siyang panoorin na ganyan. Ayan. Mamaya o sa next video, ipapakita ko kung paano namin pakainin siya. Naggagatas pa siya, guys. Hindi pa namin pinapainom ng water, milk, at saka yung meron siyang food na makikita nyo sa aming next videos. Okay. Ayan siya. Naninibago siya, guys, kasi ang pinagamit namin sa kanya ay yung dating cage ni Lowie, yung black na cage. Kaya siguro ngayon nakita niya ibang kulay, parang pinapansin niya yung kulay. Oh, ang cute. Ako tuloy nanggigigil sa kanya, oh. Hala, Coco. Guys, ayan. Enjoy panoorin si Coco, ang aming bagong fur baby. Ay, yung mga iba naming pet ay nagseselos na. May nagseselos dyan. Ayan, guys. Exit muna ako, guys, para ma-enjoy nyo siya.